Okay, like seriously, what do I really even need to say? Hey everyone, welcome back to Gretchen's Vegan Bakery. If you don't know by now, my vegan cheesecake recipe is unmatched. If you haven't tried it yet, today is a great day to get in the game. It is so easy to make because I'm literally throwing everything into the food processor and whizzing it up smooth. As always, the recipe is at gretchensveganbakery.com and the link is in the box below the video. But wait, I'm getting ahead of myself because we have to make the crust first, and that is simply graham crackers in a food processor with more melted vegan butter. Just pulse that to get it to the consistency of wet sand and then press it all into the bottom and up the sides of a 7-inch cake pan. Okay, into a water bath it goes, and then bake it at 350 degrees for about an hour. Just be sure that the center is no longer jiggly like liquid, and then you'll shut the oven off and cool it slowly with the oven door cracked open for about 30 minutes. It is so easy to unmold vegan cheesecakes from cake pans, so if you haven't tried the cake pan method yet, believe me, you will never go back to those springform pans, I guarantee it. So that really is how easy it is to make the best vegan New York style cheesecake ever. Super creamy and delicious, just like you remember cheesecake should be. So you can stop right here for a pure vanilla cheesecake, or go ahead and make my awesome strawberry compote to go on top. I like to use frozen strawberries, but fresh is fine too. Just cook them over a medium heat with some sugar, or no sugar, it's really your option, until the strawberries start to break down slightly and it's instant strawberry sauce. Cool it before adding it to the cheesecake though, but that really is how easy it is to make this. 2 simple recipes for the best vegan strawberry cheesecake you will ever try. Be sure to check out all my other cheesecake creations on my website at gretchensveganbakery.com. I've got like 3 dozen different cheesecake variations, so I guess you can say that cheesecake is my favorite thing to make and to eat. So yeah, go grab the recipe, but before you go, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I hope you will subscribe here to my channel if you're not already, and comment below. I do love reading all your comments and I look forward to chatting with you all. So yeah, thanks to everyone for watching and supporting the channel, and a great big thank you as always to my patrons on Patreon and my pals in PayPal for the continued support to make sure that I can keep on testing and sharing recipes. If you think you can support the channel for as little as a cup of coffee a month, click the links below to find out how. All right, thanks everyone, and until next time, happy vegan baking. Bye for now.